Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Aditya from Simtechnos, and let me introduce you to the newly launched solution of ours known as Sona Handy. It's an handyman solution which will help you to actually connect customers with expert providers. Now, on the left hand side, you can see this is the client application. On the right hand side, you will see that is the provider application. Now, we'll walk you through the application by signing up, then logging in, then showing you what are the kind of facilities it is offering, and the normal booking process and how it goes through. So, let's get started. Now, on the both apps, we'll start registering first. We'll use a demo ID just to create. Don't mind the mistakes which you're doing in typing, but trust me, that won't affect anything right now for the demo purposes. Now here you see in the bio, you can actually add more information if you want. Okay, now first defining the registration screen of client app. When you have filled the information, just simply need to click next. Once you click next, it starts registering on the server. Then you have an option to enter the referral code if you have any. We are skipping in this case. Now you have an option to add a card because this system supports cards and cash. So we don't want to add a card for now, so we are skipping that as well. Now you see this is the front screen which loads up in front of you. This is the main frame. In the main frame, you get an option to you need a handyman, and you can select one, and you have the types where you can select which kind of handyman you're looking forward to. So once you go down, you can see there are multiple options which we have created for the demo. So you can select any. I'll prefer anything, but before that, if you look at the menu on the left hand side of this, you will see there's an option to manage your profile, the payment management options, your history of the experts you have had before, your referral link, and the logout option. Now, getting back to the provider option, so we can actually finish it up and we can give you a proper insight how the booking works. We'll just go on registering. Now you can see here we have made it a very different system altogether. Here you have an option to select the services and quote your own prices, irrespective of what the price the customer is, the admin is offering. So we'll add up different prices for different things here, and you can select multiple services. Like for example, I'm a guy who's good at two to three things, so I can actually do all the things at a time. So I'm just adding up the prices. Once done, you're supposed to register. This will go for approval from the admin. Now see, do you see there? It has went for the approval from the admin. So you have to log into the admin panel. From the admin panel, you can review the information which has been posted by that particular handyman, and you can see if it's okay with you to actually accept it or not. So from the backend, one of our guys is actually activating it for us. So once activated, you will see receive a notification which says you're approved. Now I'm ready to actually log in. Now I've logged in, and see I have to go online to accept the jobs. Now from the other device, from the client, will request the electrician. You first have to select the type, then you have to go on I need a handyman. Now you have to select the payment provider, and you can see now you can get to see that there are options actually, like what are the charges applicable. And now you see on the provider phone, once the request is placed on the client phone, we are receiving the notifications for accepting the job. Once I accept it, the job will get started. Now both the persons have an option to make a call to each other and get connected as well. Now here you now this is the basic booking procedure which works on every device. I've reached there, I'll start doing my services. Now see, you see the amounts on both the phone are same. It speaks the same thing. Now you can confirm the same, and you have an option to rate. Now this is done. Now if you want to check being a provider, what kind of jobs you have provided today or in a week or in the entire all time, you will get a complete history of the same in both the cases, even for the provider and for the client as well. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested, drop down to simtechnos.in.